Samsung's next Galaxy S26 Ultra has just been leaked once more, and this time, new wallpapers from One UI 8.5 give us a first-hand look at the anticipated color combinations. A significantly larger issue is exposed by another disclosure. Profits of $69 billion are the top priority for Samsung's internal chip division. And the specifications and cost of the S26 Ultra are directly impacted by that choice. Let's examine each hue, leak, and unexpected business choice that could help to explain why the S26 Ultra is seeming like a fairly little upgrade today. It is thought that the new wallpapers seen inside One UI 8.5 are the official S26 Ultra colorways. The leak acquires significant credibility because Ice Universe also appears to support it, even though the source wasn't the strongest. One of the wallpapers has a striking orange theme, which strongly suggests that Samsung may release an orange hue, as previous leaks had already suggested. The 6 themes of the wallpapers are orange, silver, white, pink, black, and turquoise. However, as is customary, not every shade will be available in physical stores. The orange version might be one of the ones Samsung keeps as online-only alternatives. A buried code that confirms a long-overdue upgrade to the S26 series, which has been the subject of a separate leak, is another significant finding within One UI 8.5. Colors have nothing to do with the second significant leak. It concerns why the Galaxy S26 Ultra specifications appear to be so unchanging. Due to the enormous demand for high-end memory chips used in AI and graphics systems, Samsung's semiconductor unit, DS, is predicted to make a profit of $69 billion by 2026. According to reports, Samsung is charging Nvidia twice as much for its HBM4 memory because of this intense demand. Leaders in the industry, including the CEO of Epic Games, are cautioning that PCs, gaming consoles, laptops, and smartphones are at risk due to the sharp increase in chip prices. In order to maintain consistent prices, Samsung's MX division, which produces the Galaxy S26 series, asked for a long-term contract for mobile memory. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.